Hello guys, today we're playing Subway Surfer, and today we're going to play until we get a lot of money. So we're going to have some fun, and I hope you like it. Downloading, loading, I mean loading, 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 loading. Loading, 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 oh, oi, hi, 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 oi. It's loading. Yeesh, a bit too loud. Alright. Do we have keys? Oh, nice keys. Collect these 3 keys. 5 keys. And today we're gonna see how much we can stay long. Okay. Alright, we need that. Okay. Okay, let's go. We're gonna see how money you get and you can stay a long time. After next time I will do maybe 1 hour after I will make a very cool game. I will maybe get Grand Theft, leave, live or leave, whatever. I don't know English. Okay. If can we jump over this? Nope, we're dead. Whatever. There's a box. I never gotten box. I never saw no box and I never gotten one. Alright, let's go again. Let's see my skateboard. This is boring. This is a boring skateboard. I need to buy a better one. Going down and up and down. Let's go under. I think that's yeah. It's I. Mostly I played this game and I never played it now because I play other games like Minecraft because I like to play Minecraft and it's good and I like it too. You can I have MCB Master, okay, and now we're gonna dance. Now let's dance. Now let's dance down winning now. Dance down winning. Dance. What's this one? Nah, star. I thought that was a jetpack. Ah! Almost died. And it's a double flicker. Oh, what is that? Collect 50 million points. I never got this 40,000. What? Whatever, they think it's 50 million. Oh, sorry, it comes out all the time. V, that's V, yes, I knew it. Woo. And one more E, then we'll win the winner. And I'm gonna stop the video when I see until I die. Let's jump and rock and roll. Meow. Let's play. Oh, I almost bumped my foot there. It hurts everything. It hurts everything. It hurts. Ah, it hurts. I hope you enjoyed after and smash the like. You can add a comment about the video and also subscribe my channel. It will be good. I'll subscribe yours back when you subscribe mine, and it will be fun together. I hope you enjoyed my video, and next time you'll see more of my videos. And also yeah, it's fun. Okay, I'll end this video when it's 4 minutes and 50. Now it's 4 minutes and 24. Okay, so now okay, 4 minutes and 31. Let's open this box. 103. Nice. Alright, it's 4 minutes and 49. Wait for it to be 4 minutes and 50, then I will stop the game. So I got a lot of money, 462. Now it's 4 minutes and 50. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thumbs up and subscribe my channel. and leave a comment below, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.